Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2007 D Lincoln Penny. Yes, let's find out the price or the value of a 2007 D Lincoln Penny in top condition. Yeah, Lincoln Penny 2007 in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2007 D penny is worth many thousands of times its face value. One example, graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service, fetched a whopping $431 in a 2008 sale. Okay? $431 for 2007 D penny in top condition. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.